Mom! Dad! Look! I made this by myself. It's a strawberry toy. What is this? It looks terrible. Why are you wasting your time?
Have you finished your chores?
Mom? I haven't finished yet. I was going to after this. I want that! Give it to me! No, Tom. This is mine. I made it.
I like it, so it's mine.
Mom, Dad! He wants it!
Why are you making this a big problem? It's okay. Don't cry.
No one listens to me. No one cares.
That's enough. If you have time to play, you have time to work.
Okay, I'll clean now. Tom, you broke it. Oh! You should be careful. It was Tom.
You are always careless. Go outside.
I feel hungry. But I can't cry forever. I need to survive. Excuse me, can I help you clean? I just need some food.
You are very small. Are you sure?
Yes. I don't give up.
You worked hard. This is for you.
Thank you. I will work even better. Can I have a little? Here, take this. Excuse me. You dropped your wallet.
You found it?
Nothing is missing.
You gave food, even when you were hungry.
My parents don't want me anymore.
You are not alone.
You can be our daughter. Wow, it's so clean and beautiful.
Welcome home.
I feel like I'm dreaming. I don't want to wake up.
Then don't wake up. Just live it.
Come, I want to show you something. Wow, there are so many dresses. They don't look real, like they belong to someone else's life.
No, they are for you.
For me?
Yes, pick what you like.
Look, it's so pretty. I feel like a princess.
You are not just pretty. You are gentle, strong, and worth being seen. I love you, Mia.
So much food. This is more than I've seen in many days.
Try this.
I don't know your favorite yet.
No one ever did this for me.
We're a family now.
Not for today, for as long as you want. A real family. Mia, is that really you?
You didn't believe me. You didn't protect me. You pushed me away. They hurt me. But they are my parents. What should I do? Can we help them?
You have a beautiful heart.
Sorry. We were blind.
We lost the best thing in our life.
It's okay. You can change.
You can work at our restaurant. Start again.
But this time, Be kind.
I already have everything I need.
And we have you.
We love you. I love you too.